What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're in downtown Baton Rouge. We're going to go check out the Live After 5 live music and event series. Let's go. The Live After 5 concert series is located in downtown Baton Rouge, Louisiana, right in front of Louisiana's old state capitol building. And the concert series has been going on for several years. It's spring and fall every year. There's 6 concerts in the spring, 6 in the fall. It's all outdoors. There's entertainment as well, and plus there's vendors out with food and alcohol and all. The series goes from 5 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. and the concert series has performers who perform different genres of music, from jazz to soul to classic rock to 80s music, all the way to R&B, all different types of music. And usually there's a large gathering of people here, and it's a really enjoyable way to spend your weekend off after you've worked all weekend. You can come out here and relax and have a good time, have a drink, eat some good food, and relax. Now, for me personally, being that I am from Baton Rouge, I've been here several times. This is actually going to be my first trip to Live After 5 in the last couple years. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to stay the entire way through because afterwards, I'll have to go to my high school football game. I actually work for CrescentCitySports.com. Check me out. I actually write stories for games and I call in live reports for a radio station. So check me out on that. But I got to spend about an hour to hour and a half here. Pretty enjoyable experience. I would say the only thing that this experience is pretty much lacking is I don't think there's enough vendors. But even though there's not enough vendors, in my opinion, there are tons and tons of restaurants and bars in downtown Baton Rouge that you can go to that are still open. So you can walk a little bit and go find you somewhere to get something to eat or something to drink if you choose not to hang around here and eat and drink. Is really good. Excuse my sweat here, sweating like crazy because this is South Louisiana. Really good though. New Orleans, you can't just walk around all the time and drink in Baton Rouge, but downtown during this time, Live After 5, you can walk around and drink during this period of time within this space downtown. The series last 5 through 8. It was getting packed, but it was off to see high school football about 6:15. So enjoyed my game and my job. Didn't get a chance to see the last hour and 45 minutes.
Oh, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, I ask you to please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.